Hello, this is Olivia and welcome back to my channel. As the weather is cool and until the summer kicks in, I usually open the windows for some time for fresh air circulation. Since the windows are open, it gets dusty very soon. Wiping off the dust on the leaves makes it greener and brighter. There was enough and more of the previous day's food, so I decided to make macaroni and panipuri for my kids. They like it and would be extremely happy to see it once they come back from school. Chicken marinated in any chicken masala tastes great. So I'm frying these pieces to add into the macaroni. While the chicken was getting fried, I boiled the potatoes for the pani puri filling. Do you cook 2 or 3 dishes side by side or one after the other? I try cooking it side by side so the work gets done faster. I sauteed onions and garlic in some homemade ghee and shredded the fried fillets, some pepper and oregano and fresh cream and then cheese. I like the pasta to be creamier, so I'm adding water and corn flour slurry. So once it's boiled and cooled, it will have a creamy, thickened consistency. For the pani puri's tamarind chutney, I have taken 3 cubes of jaggery and 2 lemon-sized tamarind soaked water and 2 spoons of sugar, and once it boils, added half teaspoon of cumin powder and chili powder. Boil till it slightly thickens. For the green chutney water, I blended a handful of coriander and mint leaves, a small piece of ginger, 4 green chilies, some cumin powder and salt. Loosen the thick chutney by adding water. I kept everything ready on the table, and kids were extremely happy to see that soon after they reached home after school. The whole of UAE received heavy rain few days back, and certain parts even witnessed hailstorms. And hot tea for such a pleasant evening is one of our simple happiness. Thank you for your time, and I hope you're liking my videos. Be happy and enjoy your life. See you soon. Bye and take care.